Hi guys, my name is Sayan. Today I'm gonna sing Mahalakshmi Ashtakam. Namaste Stu Mahamaya Shri Pite Surapujite Shankha Chakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute Namaste Garudarude Kolasura Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Sarvadne Sarvavarade Sarvadushta Bhayankari Sarva Papa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhakti Mukti Pradayini Mantramukte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Adyantarahite Devi Adishakti Maheshwari Yoga Jai Yoga Sambhute Mahalakshmi Namostute Stula Shukshma Maharaudre Mahashakti Mahodare Mahapapa Hare Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Padmastanastite Devi Parabrahma Swarupini Parameshi Jagannataha Mahalakshmi Namostute Shvetambara Dare Devi Nanalankara Bhushite Jagastite Jagannataha Mahalakshmi Namostute Mahalakshmi Ashtakam Stotram Yapatet Bhakti Manarha Sarva Siddhi Mahabnoti Majam Rajyam Prabnoti Sarvada Eka Kale Pate Nityam Mahapapa Vinashana Trikalam Yapate Nityam Dhanadanya Samanvita Trikalam Yapate Nityam Mahashakru Vinashana Mahalakshmi Bhave Nityam Prasanna Varada Shubha. Thank you.
Amazing job, everyone. Thank you. Beautifully recited. Okay, so now we have Hema once again with her second performance.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.